go.
Okay. When you do your brainstorm web for exploding the moment, I want you to describe where you are. So you need to make sure you tell where you are, first of all, what you see, what you hear, what you touch, what you taste or smell. Okay. In order for you to get the full points, you want to make sure that you get enough brainstorming in. Okay. First of all, what you see. Okay. With mine, I'm at the gym. And I see people working out. And I see machines. And then I hear my music, and I feel the belt moving beneath my feet. And I don't taste or smell anything except for sweat. Okay, so this level is a 1. Just doing this is 1. If you want an A on this, you have to really brainstorm this better than this. Okay, so what kind of machines are there? You have the treadmills and the bikes, and you have the ellipticals and the weight machines. Okay, people working out. Who are these people? There's kids running on treadmills. You've got men lifting weights, and yes, there's women too, but mostly men. You've got women and men on the ellipticals. Okay, and there's all sizes and shapes. Shapes and ages. But mostly skinny people. Okay, now we're starting to look more like a 3-pointer here. Okay, 2 points might have been just adding a little bit more to that. Okay, now you're getting into 3 and 4 as you get more and more levels of detail. Okay, so the sweat might be salty, it might be dripping in my face. Okay, I might be able to feel my face red. It would be hot. Okay. I could feel my shirt clinging to me. Okay, my music. Let's be more specific about that. It would probably be something loud, rock and roll of some sort, rock music, or R&B pop type stuff. So let's be more specific and say it would be something like AC/DC, or something like that. Okay. Did I have any AC/DC? All right. And I would also probably hear the motors humming from the machines, because even with the music on, you could still hear that. And this would be more of a level of a 3. A level 4 would be to add some figurative language. So the belt moving beneath my feet is like the road moving beneath a car. Okay, the salty sweat dripping down my face is like it's raining. Like rain, like it's rain. Okay, hot, my face feeling red and hot could be like fire. Okay, or burning. Okay, all right, so each level of detail gets you a better and better grade on this.